Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the golden Scarab Beetle pet from Roblox Adopt Me. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend starting in a pencil first. Okay, let's start off by drawing the top of the head. Let's draw a short line up here. And then curve it over to the right and back down. Now for the left side, let's draw a short line in. And then on the right, we're going to curve it in like this. Now from either side, let's draw curved lines down. Now let's connect the bottom with a diagonal line. Let's draw the eyes next. From the left side, let's draw a curve out and back down, leaving a small gap here. And now close off the gap with a diagonal line back up. Now let's move to the right side and draw the right eye with a circular curve. Next, in between the eyes, let's draw two diagonal lines down. And now connect these two lines at the bottom. Let's draw the pincers next. Starting under the left eye, let's draw a curve out and then back in like this. And now curve it up. Now let's draw the right pincer. Let's start under the right eye and then draw a curve over to the left, almost touching the other one. And now curve it back up. Next, for the head, let's draw the antennas. On the top left, let's draw two curves up and out to the left. Now at the end, let's draw a curved rectangle shape. Now let's draw the other antenna on the top right of the head in the same way. Next, on top of the head, in between the antenna, let's draw a curved rectangle. And lastly, for the head, let's draw a curve on the right side. Let's start underneath the right antenna, and then we're going to draw a curve down and back under the eye. And that's it for the head. Let's draw the body next. From on top of the left eye, let's draw a curve up through the antenna and over to the right like this. Next, let's erase the line we drew inside the antenna. Let's hop to the bottom now, and on the right side of the bottom antenna, let's draw a curve down here. And then an angled line down to the right. Next, let's draw the bottom of the body by curving it up to the right like this. Now let's connect the top and bottom line with a large S curve. So let's start at the top and we're going to curve it in, back out, and down to the bottom. Now let's finish off the shape of the body. Let's hop back to the top and we're going to draw a curve out, back down, and into the bottom like this. Now inside this section, let's draw another S curve to the right of the other one. So start at the top and we're just going to follow that same curve all the way down. Let's move back down above the left eye. Let's draw a curve up, following the same shape as the head, and stopping here. And then close off the bottom with one more diagonal line down. Next, let's erase the lines that overlap the antenna. And lastly, to close off the body, let's draw one more curve between the bottom of the head and the shell. So let's start under the right eye and draw a curve over to the right. Now to finish off this drawing, let's draw the feet. Let's start underneath the center and we're going to draw a curve up and then back down. And now close off the bottom with another curve. Now let's draw another of the same shape over to the right. And now we're going to draw another one, but tucked under the back of the body. So we're going to start at the back here and draw a curve down. And now curve it back in. And now let's draw one last foot on the left side. Start next to the left eye and draw a curve outwards. And then bring it back into the pincer. And that's it for the scarab pet. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me. And please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!